everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you, I'm going to be doing kind of an abstract look. I started off by putting a good kind of perfector shade on my nails. So I have a base coat and then I'm doing 2 coats of Orly's rose colored glasses. I already have 1 coat on and I'm applying the second one currently. It's just a really good kind of French manicure like base that I personally love to use for abstract designs to kind of perfect the color of the nail bed and to just make a little milky like tone to everything. Now I'm going to go in and start doing the art. So for this, I'm doing a combination of the trios that I've been posting about. So the first shade that I'm using is Salon Perfect's Under the Tuscan Sun, and as you can see, I kind of just put the brush on the nail and pushed it down and pulled it down further on my nail to make a very kind of natural blob. And then I did the same thing with the yellow, which is called a Sweet Spot, and I kind of made them overlap. And if you want to even make them touch while they're wet and get a little mixture of colors, that's totally cool, and it looks kind of neat because you get some swirls. And then the last part was using some turquoisey acrylic paint to put in these little line details. I did about like 2 sections of these on each nail. You can totally change it up as to however you would like. And I could have used a nail polish. I decided to go with acrylic paint, but if I was going to use a nail polish, I would have used Salon Perfect's Mermaid of Money, which is what I was trying to replicate with acrylic paint, and I feel like it worked pretty well. So that was it for the design. I then, of course, let it dry, and then I put on a matte top coat to finish it all off, and that completed this super easy kind of abstract-like look that I wasn't sure about at first, but the more that I wore, it definitely grew on me, and I feel like it's a fun way to use multiple colors, and it's very summery. And yeah, so super simple. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with a very different video. Bye!